Hello friends! Welcome to our channel, Ang Pakialamerang OFW. Today, I will risk my diet, my wallet, and my cholesterol levels para sagutin ang isang napaka-importanting tanong. Saan ba natin matatagpuan ang pinakamasarap na shawarma dito sa Dammam? So you and I are on a mission. Samahan nyo ako. Pero bago ang lahat, here's a quick history of shawarma, Pakialamera version. Noong unang panahon, ang mga sundalong Turko ay nagluto ng karne gamit ang kanilang mga espada. Nakita ito ng mga chismosa at ginaya ito, nagluto rin sila ng karne gamit ang mga espada. Ang mga sundalo at mga chismosa nag-migrate sa Germany, Lebanon, Syria, Iraq, North America, at kahit sa Mexico. Alam niyo ba na ang tacos al pastor ay pinsan ng shawarma? At yan simulan pagkalat ng shawarma. Di ba may Turks na sa Pinas? At eto naman ang ating criteria for judging. Bread, makunat ba o matigas? Meat and filling, tender ba o dry? Flavor and seasoning, mapapakapit ka ba sa sarap? Price, sulit ba? At overall experience, uulit ka ba? Shawarma stop number 1, the OG Mama Nura. So guys, we got our first shawarma from Mama Nura. So, shawarma stop number 1 is Mama Nura. This is what you call the OG place kasi parang it's been here for a year lang pero the main branch is in Riyadh. See? Okay. Wait lang. The bread is the normal kubus. So let's see. Isa pa. Okay. Hindi siya yung hindi siya yung love at first bite. Sabi kasing classic OG, parang it's either masarap or overrated, no? Parang ex mo lang siya. Babalik-balikan mo kasi familiar. Charot. Chicken is nice. The garlic sauce is nice. There's pickle. Straightforward shawarma. 7.5. 7.5. Safe. Reliable. Pang araw-araw na shawarma. Mama Nura. 8 riyals for the small one. Shawarma stop number 2, Hamdan Restaurant. No, I just need one small shawarma. So we got our second shawarma from Hamdan Restaurant. So this is shawarma stop number 2. Ito naman siguro yung parang hindi mo akalaing masarap na shawarma. It's cheaper actually. It's 7 riyals by 1 riyal. So sana masarap siya. See. It's actually a Turkish shawarma. You can see the bread is different than that of Mama Nura's. Not sure if there's hummus. Okay. There's a hint of sweetness too. Not sure why. And if you can see, pahiga siya niluluto, hindi patusok. That's different. Okay. Hindi ka masasaktan for short-term happiness. Charot. Hindi pang forever. Hindi ko siya babalikan. Pero, pwede na shawarma. I'd give this a 6.5. Yeah. Off to the next. Shawarma stop number 3, the famous Raik Shawarma. So, ito na guys yung pinipilahan. Alam mo naman kapag pero wala masyadong tao today. No? Alam mo na pag pinipilahan, it's either masarap talaga or mga marketing, diba? So let's see. Let's try. Hi. Can I have one small shawarma? Chicken. No. So, ayan. Shawarma stop number 3 is, as you can see, sa likod, Rake. This is the famous one. I see a lot of videos at TikTok about this. So, let's try. It's 9 reals. So far, the most expensive from stop 1 to the third one. Not sure where the chef. Oh, okay. It's the bread has color. It's orangey, ambery. Oh, okay. Let's see, first bite. Wala guys. Hello guys, may nararamdaman ako. Feelings. Oh. Wow. Lah. Parang makakamove on ako yata agad nito. Ang sarap guys. Lagot. Hala, ang sarap. Hala, this is dangerous guys. Nakaka-addict siya. See? Meat, potatoes. Hindi ako nagpalagay ng ketchup, just garlic sauce. Very plain. Hanggang ngayon, wala pa nga ako nararamdamang pickles eh. Nakaubos ko yata to. Crunchy pa yung bread because di ko alam kung nakita nyo kanina. Nilalagay nila sa hot plate tapos dinadaganan nila ng mabigat para magiging ma-toast yung bread. Hala, ang sarap! This is a 9. Masarap siya. Mahirap lang puntahan. Hindi mahirap puntahan. It's by the Cornish Damam. Palagay ko, pag gabi dito, puno tong parking na to. Sarap. Good job, Rake. Next one. Shawarma stop number 4, The Aesthetic, Lagawis. Guys, dito naman tayo sa ni-recommend ng office mate ko. It's called Lagawis, I think. Yan. Meron siyang vintage vibes. So nice. Dito naman tayo sa aesthetic. The normal shawarma. Yeah, this one. Just the small. Meron siyang Jeddah vibes. Parang sinauna. Thank you! So guys, maiba naman tayo. This is our 4th stop. Shawarma stop, Lagawis. And it's 8 reals for a small shawarma. Ako na ako umupo, so tayo naman tayo. Oh, that's pretty small. That's pretty small for 8 reals. An expensive one, yeah? Let's try this. So, okay, this has the normal bread, normal kubos, which I don't like. Potatoes, pickles. There's a spice in it that hits different. It's nice. It's a shame though because the meat, the flavor of the meat is nice, but because of the bread, it takes away from the experience. Sayang. It's saucy too. Yeah, see? Tulo-tulo na dito. Buong kaluluwa mo kaka-sauce. It's quite oily as well. Yeah. Sarap, sayang. This is a 7 for me. We're off to the last one. Shawarma stop number 5, the quiet Boromana. Tayo sa dark horse. I think this is the dark horse kasi walang pila. Sometimes yung mga walang pila, yun yung mas masarap. Let's see. Hi. Okay. Can I have one small shawarma chicken? Yeah. They make their own bread, so this should be really good. Shawarma being made. We got our last shawarma for the day. Tikman natin siya. So this is our last shawarma stop for the day. It's from Boromana. Boromana. Yeah, nice. Wala masyadong pila, wala masyadong hype. So let's see. Kasi sometimes yun pa yung pinakamasarap. Ang na-excite ako doon is they make their own bread in front of you. So I really like that. And it's 8 reals. So the standard price. Bigat. Sauce overflowing. Wow. Sabi ko na. See, yung bread niya iba. Binibake nila doon, sarili nila. Hindi rin masyadong makapal, hindi rin masyadong manipes. It will give you a bite. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is the plot twist ng taon. Wow. Look. And may gulay siya ha. Hindi lang pickles, there's potatoes, and gulay. There's tomatoes. Yung kanina, walang tomatoes. Oh, wow. This wins actually. This is a 9.5. Magkaiba ng flavor with Raig. Pero because of the bread talaga. You know, the bread can make or break the shawarma. If it's too hard, kapag hindi mo binabad sa sauce, then it loses its grip dun sa mga meat. Pag naman too soft, butas-butas, hirap kainin. And there's the perfect balance of the chewy bread. There's crispy on the outside, and then the meat, and then the veggies. Wow, and the garlic sauce. Maraming salamat sa pagsama niyo sa akin sa paggagala today, sa paghahanap ng pinakamasarap na shawarma sa Dammam. Sayang wala si Chris. Pero I hope that you come back to watch our channel again and again and again. Samahan niyo kami sa mga iba't iba naming trips. Thank you very much. This is Zari of Ang Pakialamerong OFW. Walang script, walang filter, just live. Bye! Hoy, kung nagustuhan mo naman yung pakialam namin sa mga iba't ibang bagay at issues ng OFWs at paggagala namin kung saan-saan, paki-share naman ng video, paki-like na rin, and please subscribe. Kalat nyo, madami pa tayong papakialaman. Thank you!